Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for December. This month's theme is Oh What Fun and features some funky bag designs. First, let's take a look inside the Glam Bag. We have the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Byroe New York Treat Me Rose Tea Eye Cream, Pinklipps Soft Matte Primer, Lottie London Wing Woman Eyeliner, and the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Moisture CC Cream, Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, Ciate London The Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, Tarte Quick Stick Shadow and Liner, and the Slmissglam Flat Brush. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received, starting with skincare. I'm cleansing with the Fenty Total Cleanser, and the applicator is really interesting. You just twist the top and then squeeze the product out. It smells like cherries and coconut. This is formulated with Barbados cherry, ginkgo biloba, and green tea. It has a bit of a cooling effect. Next, I'm trying out the Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. This retails for a whopping $116. It's very thick and rich. It also has a fruity scent to it, which I don't mind. Now I'm using the Byroe New York Treat Me Rose Tea Eye Cream. This is infused with 3 different types of roses to soothe irritation and inflammation. It has a unique sherbet texture. For eyeliner, I'm testing out the Lottie London Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. This is available in black or brown, and I received the black shade. It does have a felt tip, so it pulls a little bit on my hooded lids. Now let's take a look at the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. The packaging is fitting to the name. It has a velvety smooth texture. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Wow, these are so smooth. First, I'm picking up this dark brown color. I'm sweeping this into my crease. Next, I'm dipping into this matte mauve color. I'm using this to create more of a blended liner look. Now I'm grabbing the shimmery pink color. I'm applying this to the center of my lid. Finally, I'm using the shimmery peach color. I'm applying that to my inner corner. Now let's prime with the Pinklipps Soft Matte Primer. This is supposed to make the skin look smooth for a poreless effect. It has a velvety matte texture. It reminds me of the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer or the Makeup Revolution Pore Perfecting Primer, but at a much higher price point than those two. Next, I'm using the Slmissglam Flat Brush. This is a synthetic vegan brush. I'm using it to apply highlighter. The unicorn handle is super cute. After that, I'm using the Milk Rise Mascara. The brush on this has a curved design and the bristles are wavy. I think I might like this one better than the Kush Mascara. Finally, I'm applying the Tarte Quick Stick Shadow and Liner. This has 2 sides, an eyeshadow which is a golden pink luster shade and an eyeliner which is black. I'm just using the eyeliner side to tightline, making my false lashes blend with my natural ones a bit better. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for December. We received some amazing products not only this month, but this entire year, and I'm looking forward to next year. Let me know your favorite product that you received from Ipsy in 2022 in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.